There we go. So now we can actually take a look at what it's kind of going to look like. I am definitely, oh yeah, you can see you can see where I smudged chrome right down the side. Can I get that off before it dries? Welcome back to the workbench where we try to make things, and we're continuing to try to make Revell's 1971 Mach 1 Mustang. And I say it that way because this has been a slow finish to this project for sure. I don't have a huge update because I'm still working on the chrome around the windows. So I have had to clean up, repolish. In fact, that needs repolished right there. I can just now see it underneath the light. I'm about at my wit's end with this chrome pin. What I've been doing actually now is just dumping a pile of chrome onto a just a styrene board and using essentially a toothpick to apply it. I don't know. I mean, I owed you guys an update on this, so I wanted to kind of bring you along and show you where we're at. It really doesn't look bad. It doesn't look well, let me rephrase. It doesn't look horrible. it might technically look bad. Actually, it doesn't even look that bad. It just doesn't look as good as I was wanting. And I think if I did this again, and I'm half of mind to do it again, but to do it with bare metal foil. Because then I think I could get a sharper line. Because that's what kind of bugs me with this is I'm not getting that sharp, hard line that I would like to have. You know what I mean? But I think I'm just going to leave it. You know, lesson learned on this project. Next project we'll do bare metal. And I keep learning. For me, this is all a learning process. I've never done these things. I've never done this before. I've never done this kind of detail before on a model. So it's a learning process for me. And y'all are getting to join that process. So welcome aboard. And I had a pretty good surge of subscribers come in. So welcome aboard if you're here watching this project slowly end also. Welcome aboard. Thanks for joining me. I really do appreciate it. But what I thought I would do, because I do absolutely owe you guys an update on this project, is I wanted to kind of just put the interior and everything together and kind of look at where it's at so far. Now, I got to be very careful because this is very fresh chrome paint. So I'm going to be very careful. For you guys that are new, so this is the interior we've kind of built out. We put a little sound system in it. Other than that, it's pretty stock, other than the kind of the rear tray there where we put some stereo equipment in, kind of custom painted it and that kind of stuff. But that's about it. I guess I should point out too, we had to kind of tub the back end a little bit. And I added the tubs to the interior tub. I tubbed the tub instead of adding them here. It makes it, I think, a little easier. I removed them from the chassis, added them to. Gosh, I got to be so careful. I don't know how I'm going to do this without I don't want to smudge my chrome paint, nor do I want to chip the paint on the rockers. There we go. Let's get this in place so carefully without touching the chrome. I notoriously stick my finger in paint. If you've been with the channel any time at all, you know that to be a fact. Come on. I just want to give. I kind of want to just take a look at what it's going to kind of look like assembled. I am really struggling here because I don't want to touch the chrome. There we go. Let's see if I can go with that and then try to get the tub in. Like so. Making sure not. I think the tub moved. It needs to scoot back. Oh, there's not a chance I'm going to do this without. Yeah, the tub needs to move back. Man, I'd really like to get a look at what this is going to look like. I think I might have just. I think I'm at the point. I hate to say this. I think I'm going to sand down this chrome I put on here, clean it off. Just clean it off. I could probably just clean it off and do bare metal. Because even once it's done, if you touch this stuff, that's what I'm going to do. I mean, I'm sitting here saying that I'm not. And you know how it goes with me. That's what I'm going to do. But for now, let's see if I can get this to kind of go together. I've got a little bit of the chrome already on my finger here. I don't want to get it on the paint. I don't want to have to completely repaint the car. That I definitely don't want to do. Okay, let's see if we can, but I don't know if I'm going to be able to do this without making a mess of it. Yeah, the chrome pin, definitely the wrong call. Yeah, I'm chipping the paint. Really struggling here. What I need to do is, this actually needs to be glued in before, it needs to be glued in, then it would make it easier to put the chassis in. Let me see, it should just sit straight in the back. Actually, you know what, I think if I remember right, I have to kind of dip it in here like this, and then pull this apart to get the firewall in, like so, and I just stuck my finger in the chrome. I felt it, but that's okay, because I do think I am definitely going to redo it. We've put so much time and effort into this car, and there we've actually got it, I think, in place. Let me make sure that tub's in place. Yep. There we go. So now we can actually take a look at what it's kind of going to look like. I am definitely, oh yeah, you can see you can see where I smudged chrome right down the side. Can I get that off before it dries? Yeah, and then the rest I can polish off. It's coming off. It's coming off. I've made a decision. I know this is slow. We made great progress until this point. It's been this chrome fiasco that has slowed us down. I'm taking it off. I think I can probably just get it off with, well, I can either sand it off, clean it off, whatever. You can see where I smudged it right back here, just doing this. So yeah, I'm just going to, well, I'll polish that stuff off in the back there. I'm going to get it off. I'm going to do bare metal. This is supposed to be stainless anyways, not chrome. So I could probably just get some stainless like something that looks like stainless bare metal foil. There you go. That's what you call it. That looks like stainless. I've never done it before, so it could be as big of a disaster. I don't know, but it can't be. Well, it can't be as big a disaster as this. But there's what it's basically going to look like. Oh, I guess I needed to put the air filter back on. We can kind of sit it here so you can kind of see with the air filter, well, if I can get it to sit in place, what it's going to look like. But it's going to, I'm proud of it. It looks, it's going to look pretty good. Let me see if I can make sure I can get under the light. Let's zoom in a little bit. There we go. I think it looks pretty cool. We can put the hood on. Kind of get a look at that. There we go. I think it's going to look pretty good. Where's a wheel? Where's a front wheel? I can kind of shove a front wheel up in there. There's what the wheels will look like on it. Let me see if I can I get this to balance in there? Where's the back wheel? Well, we might be asking a little too much to try to demo the, look, there's more chrome that I'm gonna have to completely repolish the body because there's kind of chrome pieces everywhere. Chrome smudges everywhere. So that's kind of what it's gonna look like with the wheels on. I think it's gonna look pretty good. I need to get the Mercedes logos out of the wheels. But yeah, I don't know. Let me know what you think so far. I mean, I owed you guys an update on this. I know it's not much of an update. I think the main update is I'm doing away with the chrome. It has been a nightmare. I've been working on the chrome for weeks now because you got to let it dry for so long. I should have known better. Now I've got it smudged all over the paint, so I've got to sit here and I need to polish it up again anyways because of where I was sanding the chrome. And so I'm going to do that. I'm just going to clean it off. I'm going to order up some bare metal foil. If you know is there a best brand? I've never used it. So if you guys know of a best brand or best place to get it, please let me know down in the comments. Let me know what you think of the car so far. I think it actually, I mean, let me pull the filter out of here. I think it actually is looking good, at least by my standards. I don't have the highest standards in the world, but by my standards, I think I'm kind of digging it. Let me know where I can get some bare metal foil. Am I even calling it the right thing? I don't know. Let me know down in the comments section. Hit the like button if you kind of somewhat enjoy this. It's free. It helps. Help a poor guy out here. Subscribe. Do all those things you do on YouTube. And I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.